keep getting better and better.
Hey, come on, man. You gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man. Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see.
Be like me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, 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 and it's another early day. And we back in the Impala, and we about to go ahead, get the mirror switched out, cause it came, and it's early, and yeah, I still look sleepy. I'm on YouTube right now looking at how to do it, and we about to get y'all, y'all better help me, cause I need it. Y'all see, this beat been following me since yesterday, but as y'all see, it's already here. We got it. Black Jones. Look, he is just all in my business, boy. Yeah. Oh, that boy. Motherfucker. About to go ahead and strap y'all boys up so we can go ahead and get this stuff taken care of. This is already ready to take this off, so we're gonna get that taken off, and yeah, let me get this strapped up, and I'll be back with y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we back. We getting gloved up, and let's go ahead and get these taken out again. I'm trying to fix the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. I ain't put these all the way back in, like super tight yesterday. Get that out the way. We gotta switch this out. Which one do we need for those? The only thing about these gloves, you can't grab nothing. But I like to work with gloves on, cause working with gloves on be hitting, bro. It be looking good, man. Especially with these gloves. Match my drill, match my, you know what I'm saying? But these motherfuckers might end up having to come off because I can't grip this this man right here. I'm gonna take these gloves off. Bam. One screw out. Two screws out. Pretty sure we don't lose them. Alright. Y'all see where we at with it? Y'all see where we at with it? We got that right there. Thinking this is for that. Boy, if this stuff don't come undone. All right. Got that off of there. Let's get all this tape off of here. And they got this little bitty ass hole. probably shouldn't be cutting this stuff, but let's make sure this. Yeah, you got the same jump. They said I ain't gotta take this whole thing off, this whole door panel. What do with those ones? I don't think I got the right side. Dang. Alright, y'all, let me be back in a second. Let me try to find some stuff to get this mirror out of here. Alright, y'all, so we back. I actually don't gotta take this off right here. Wait, can y'all see it? Let me fix the camera. Alright, so I actually don't gotta take this off right here. It's not a part of it. I had to take one from right here, and then you got the two that was right here, and then that was it. And go ahead and get this new one put in place. Take this off. Leave that stays. Pop that through that hole right there. Come on, go through the hole. Put that through there. And then just I gotta take that shit out though. Right in there. Right in there, my boy. Right in there, my boy. And this one I just took one right here. Screw him on. Get that first thing right there, boy. Get these. I'm gonna put this one right here. Hey, y'all, I'm having fun with this already, man. It makes me feel better knowing I'm doing it myself. Put that one in there. Get this one on here. No. All right, y'all. So, man, drop the what's the name? No. And I don't have another one. And I don't have another one, guys. Ain't that about something? Screw that on there. Get that nice and tight. Let's get a thumbnail real quick. Quick thumbnail. And we back at it. We back at it like a crack addict. Tight. I should have did this first. Plug him up. Yeah, plugged in. See if we got some. Oh, we got action. Yep, we got action, baby. Yeah. Just give me my money.
When you
Hey,
did it
hold
here,
up.
the last
I don't know what you're talking about, big dog. Is this one of mine? I wonder if that one fell back down here. Cause if it did, that'll be on me. Just give me my money. Alright, what do I do with the what's the name? Hey y'all, if they would have sent my switch, all of this would have been done. This whole little door part would have been done, yo. But they ain't sent a switch. But they are supposed to be sending it. So I definitely reached out like, hey, y'all ain't send me my shit, y'all send me a box of screws. That's screwed up. I don't like this one cause this thing weak. It's old. It's weak as hell. See, like right now, I don't want to move. But when I ain't got it on there, I want to move. Just give me my money. Ooh, that was almost there. I almost dropped it. Look. Moving this shit. Make sure we put that tight, cause my goofy self dropped the other one. And there's probably no way for me to get to it. So I'll start just putting everything back together. You came down right here. No, you didn't. It was one of you guys that came from right here. We're gonna take this tape off of here. Cause we don't need that on there no more. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot. I found someone that you got what you're looking for. Monica, Monina, Monica, Monina. You're not done with that until the heart. And you're done with the zero squad. Punisher, 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 Punisher. Hey, Punisher. Monica, Monina, Monica, Monina. Hey. This is fun in a terror squad. Monica, Monina, Monica, Monina. Yes, sir. Hey, there you go again. Alright, one of the last one. Alright, y'all. Yeah, we did it. And it didn't take that long. I honestly thought that this would have took me a lot longer. It didn't take me long at all. What took me the longest is actually finding the parts. Hey, look though. We in there. We in there. No more hanging mirror. Yep. They two different colors, but it don't matter. The mirror is on there. And we did that. These is gonna get replaced, and I'm gonna do that too. Yes, sir. And it's on there nice and tight. And as y'all seen, we got in this movie. Yeah, y'all see it? Your boy out here. Hey, so we out here, man. So make sure y'all go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And that's how you put a mirror on a 2004 Impala LS. That's how you change the rear view mirror. And I think that's it, man. So like I said, man, make sure y'all hit that like, share, and that subscribe, man. If y'all need some help, let me know. I'm fully YouTube University certified. And we gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my